to create trending nail designs in the upcoming Erding. Coming to the first nail model. Why don't we use a harmonious combination of two complementary colors like this one? It's a harmonious combination of shimmering silver shimmer with bright red color. Don't forget to add a few white textures to create a very harmonious whole between these three colors. Surely you will have an extremely eye-catching nail design for girls' hands. Then, when you have completed all the details, you can wait until the paint dries to continue to the next stage. It is a layer of glossy polish to increase the aesthetics of your nail model, and at the same time create a protective coating for your work until the results take shape, and perhaps you will be surprised by the results. After a period of meticulous attention to detail. Coming to the next nail design in this video, we will create a work with different colors designed with glitters to create a perfect work with a very suitable composition, and the border is made of gold shimmer. This is a very creative step to create the layout for different colorways like this, with a total of 4 different colors mixed with shimmer powder for your nails to become more sparkly. With this layout, we will have the colors shimmering red, shimmering black, light orange and shimmering dark blue. With these colors you will create a very harmonious overall composition for women who like maturity. Next, we will attach the border between the range colorways with this gold emulsion strip. The next step, let's remember, this will be the most important step in manicure. That is coating with a glossy paint to enhance the aesthetics and preserve the textures you have designed. Still think black nails are gloomy and boring. Therefore, you should carefully monitor all the updates of Erding. After all, the nail masters have prepared fashionistas with the most novel, trendy and elegant in tone matching with classic black. At the same time, do not forget about fashionable techniques that can diversify and decorate nails of any length. When performing a black manicure in combination with any shade, you can safely use a glossy or matte finish. Such a manicure should be decorative and varied with the help of patterns, monograms or acrylic powder with a shiny structure. A spectacular and beautiful addition to the black manicure will be the broken glass technique. Let's take a closer look at all the most stylish ideas for performing a black manicure in combination with other colors. Coming to the final nail design is the closing of this video, with the main color tone being orange. It is a perfect combination of hot red tones and warm yellow like the sun, symbolizing warmth and joy. Orange provides strength to overcome grief and pressure in life. Applying this color to everyday items makes life more optimistic and more loving. You may not believe it, but this warm orange tone also has an extremely strong ability to stimulate the intestines, making you crave more. This is also the reason that most variations of this color tone are applied in many restaurants to increase the taste of customers. Before ending the video, let's have a look at how beautiful this nail design really is. Thank you for watching the video until the end.